So, as the title says, I am leaving Egypt. It was a tough decision. It was a tough call to make, but I had to make it. There are some things, that I maybe didn't share with you guys as I traveled around and lived my life for the past 3 years. And most of it was good, but there were some difficult times, and I think it's getting to be too much for me. The chaos, the traffic, the pollution, the noise. I'm just kind of done. So it's been a good run, but I am moving on. So I have a flight to Rome, which I'm just waiting for my flight now. I don't know what to say about it, After Rome, I'm continuing on after that, and did you believe me? I'm fucking with you guys. I am obviously not leaving Egypt. I love living in Egypt. I love Cairo. Yeah, there is pollution, but I love I love it so much. There's no way I could leave for good. I'm sorry for screwing with you guys, but I couldn't resist having this opportunity to mess with you a little bit. Clickbait, sorry. I never normally do that, but the playful side of me couldn't stop myself. I am leaving, obviously. I'm at the airport, but I'm just going on a trip to visit family, some relatives. And then I'll be back to Cairo, of course. Tabon. So, yeah. I am flying to Rome as well, and then I'm transferring, and then I'm taking another flight to a country that I have not been to in 18 years, a very long time ago. Half my lifetime ago. I'm 36, so 18 years ago. When I was 18 was the last time I was in this country to see relatives that I have not seen in that long. So yeah, it's going to be a long flight. It's just about 3.5 hours to Rome. Then I wait for 2 hours or just transfer, and then a 14-hour flight to the destination, which will be revealed once I land. Anyways, it's boring in this airport. Not a lot happening. I got here early, which is always a good idea if you're in Cairo. Go early. You don't want to be stressed, and there's a lot of security checkpoints. So anyways, I always go early, and now I got all kinds of time to twiddle my thumbs or go to the smoking room or maybe get some expensive food. Yeah, that's it. I'm leaving Egypt for a little while, and stay tuned. Watch till the end of this video to find out where. Ma salema.
Lula. Ay, ay.
Bienvenidos a Argentina, gatito. Sí, estoy aquí en Argentina, en un balneario, se llama Mar de Ajó. Y bueno, sí, estoy aquí porque mi papá son de Argentina. Toda la familia de mi papá es de Argentina. Y no estuve aquí por tanto tiempo, como 18 años. Pero creo que es mejor hablar en inglés porque siempre estoy hablando inglés en mis videos. Entonces, welcome to Argentina. Yes, I'm in a beach town called Mar de Ajó, where my grandmother lives. My father's from Argentina, so I think I might have mentioned that in a few videos here and there, but I'm half Argentine. Yep. So all my father's family is from here. He's the only one that moved to the US many years ago. So I'm visiting family, relatives, aunts, cousins, my grandmother, literally everyone on his side that I haven't actually seen in 18 years. Es muy mal, yo sé. But it's very far away and yeah, I don't have an excuse. But I haven't been here in a very long time, and so it's really great to be back and see my family, visit. My Spanish is a bit rusty, but I'm trying. And yeah, I'll be here for a while, just catching up. This is Lola or Lula. I think her name is Lula. I can't be sure, to be honest. Right? Yeah. She sounds like a little dinosaur. But yes, it's very beautiful. It's summer here in Argentina, so south of the equator. Winter in Egypt, summer in Argentina. This is the house that I don't think the lighting is good because of the direction of the sun, but this is where my grandfather built this house. Beautiful little garden. Pumpkins somewhere in here. Growing pumpkins. Some flowers. Yeah. Oh, Lola. So yes, this is where I am. The internet is very bad. Es horrible. No existe actualmente, o en realidad. So, my videos are uploading late. I filmed in advance in Cairo because I knew that I would be busy here with family, catching up, not wanting to work, not wanting to film. So, yeah, the videos that have come out, probably a little bit old. Filmed in Cairo before I came here, and I've probably been here for a while. And then I'm going to be going to El Capital. I flew into Buenos Aires and then basically came straight here with my aunts and my uncle and my father. My father is here as well. My grandmother is also turning 93 and she looks great. She's on her bike like, yeah, I think she's out for a walk on the beach right now with my aunt. And she's got a full head of hair. She's got more hair than me, honestly. I mean, I'm joking maybe, but it's real thick. So she's awesome. Doing great, abuelita. I might film them, I might not. I mean, really, like I said, it's just I'm here to be with family. I really plan to film more when I'm back in Buenos Aires. Bueno, es todo, sí, no tengo nada más a decir. Pero ya, voy a ir a la playa. Probablemente filmar en la playa o en Milonga, no sé, vamos a ver. Pero bienvenidos. ¿Cómo? ¿Qué? ¿Qué dijiste?